Ugali or sima is a type of cornmeal made from maize or corn flour, and it's found in many countries here in Africa with different names. So I'm going to be using around 5 cups of water and 3 to 4 cups of my maize flour. So I've started by placing a cooking pot over high flame, added water, wait for about 3 to 4 minutes so that the water can come to a boil. Next, I'm going to scoop out a cup of water, reduce the flames to medium-low, then add in my maize flour as I stir around. Making ugali, you need a strong arm, so this is a workout for starters. So using my wooden spatula, I'm going to spin around the maize flour into the water until everything is fully combined and smooth. Ugali is a staple food here in Kenya, so you'll find that people prepare ugali every day for their side dish. Add in the water you saved earlier if you notice that the dough is dense, and if the consistency of the ugali is runny, add in bits of maize flour as you mix. By reducing the flames to low, you're going to allow the slow cooking of the ugali as you mix, because if the flames are high, it will be hard for you to pound the ugali until it's smooth. So you first reduce the flames and then you bring the flames to high after everything is fully combined. That's how I make my ugali. So now everything is fully combined. I'm going to bring the flames to high and cook my ugali while spinning around with your wooden spatula or with your mwiko, and let the ugali cook for around 2 to 4 minutes. After several minutes, this is how my ugali is looking like, and it's almost done. I'm going to be molding my ugali with my wooden spatula into a cone-like shape. You'll know it's ready when you can smell some very nice aroma in the kitchen. And also the bottom part of the pan or the pot is going to be brownish in color. That means the ugali is ready. I'm molding so that I can serve. So once done, I'm going to turn off the heat and transfer to my plate. You'll find that enjoying ugali is very satisfying and filling, and you can pair ugali with almost anything. It can be vegetarian, or you can include some meat and some greens, and it's still going to be so good. So my ugali is ready to serve for my family because this is for our lunch, and we are going to be enjoying with some eggs and some greens. So this is how I make my Kenyan ugali. I like it a bit on the dense side, and it's very delicious once you try out the recipe.